Hi, I'm Lacy and I'm the executive chef at Pacific Coast Fruit Company, and today in the kitchen we will be working with blood oranges. So blood oranges are in season from December to May. There's usually two different varieties. I'm going to be working with the Moro variety today. When you're looking at blood oranges, you want to make sure that it's firm and also like heavier than you would expect it to be. These are really dense because they have about 2 or 3 times the amount of juice than just a typical navel orange. So that's why I love them. The flavor is like a combination of raspberry and orange, so they're perfect for a dessert or something like a vinaigrette. They'll add a little bit of a sweetness to it. Today, for Valentine's Day, I decided to do a candied blood orange. I am using today just a nice piece of chocolate bundt cake. You could use any kind of nice dense chocolate dessert. I have a couple of pieces of my blood orange. Make sure to get a drizzle of that delicious juice. Just a little bit of chantilly, and then I love pistachios with orange. They are slightly salted because the dessert needs a little bit of balance. It's kind of sweet. So there you have my chocolate bundt cake with candied blood orange. So since blood oranges originated in Sicily, today I brought on a couple of true Sicilians as my guests. Hey Nancy.
Hi.
Where's Tom? Oh, there he is.
Hello.
Aww.
This is for you. You're
Hi, Tom.
welcome.
So
You're
Tom
welcome.
and Nancy are one of my favorite couples at Pacific Coast Fruit Company. They actually have been here for a very long time. So I'd love to know, how did you propose to Nancy?
Well, the proposal was obviously, as you could see, we're together, so it went well. The hardest part, though, was asking her father's permission to marry her when I was nervous, and really nervous. And I was in his office one Tuesday afternoon trying to ask permission, and then my brother-in-law, the CEO of our company, decided to walk in there, and he sat down in a chair and he listened to the whole spiel, didn't say a word until afterwards, and he said, "Congratulations, I couldn't have done a better job."
Oh, well, that's a pretty good story. Can you imagine if you had to do that now, though? Well, so do you guys like blood orange with chocolate? You ever tried this?
I have not.
I made a dessert, and I'd love for you to have a taste.
Awesome.
You can feed each other if you want. It's highly encouraged, but not required.
Okay. Open wide.
Okay.
How is it?
That's great.
That's super good.
Yeah.
I can taste a little bit of the salt from the pistachio.
Nice.
That's really, really good.
Good.
Excellent.
I just like it because I didn't have to make it.